What I love is just like having the possibility to have conversations that are really life-changing in so many different areas. Most of the things we are not aware of by ourselves, it's such a contribution if somebody asks you a question without a point of view that you can sense like, oh, that is going on. Because we ourselves are oftentimes blind for our own stories. Like, you're not even aware, oh, that's a story, that's not me. Huh, thank you for pointing it out. Now I can see it.
It's different. It's different stuff comes up, different aha moments, different information, different energies in the class. It's all different people coming together. So there's a different feel and rhythm to it.
Intense et pleine de prise de conscience et de joie et de... Mon corps me dit plein de choses et je touche du doigt ce que c'est d'être moi. Et toute l'énergie que j'ai, que je perçois à l'intérieur de moi, j'aimerais pouvoir la voir tous les jours en fait. Et ça me donne... Je vois que je peux le faire en fait. Que j'ai la capacité et que je peux faire le choix d'avoir tout ça tous les jours avec moi.
I'm electric all the time. When I'm actually being me, I'm the 100% electric. It's lightning and I enjoy it. I like that rush of scary adrenaline and power and fire and heat. That's what I like.
These classes really get you into that space where you really do know that that's here and it's not something outside of you or unattainable or far away, and it just gets you to really step into everything that's beyond what you thought was possible in yourself.